What is the number of channels in the MLS system? A 10, B 50, C 4000, D 200. The correct answer is 200. What is the typical scanning rate of the MLS antenna? A 20,000 sec, B 10,000 sec, C 500 sec, D 37 sec. The correct answer is 20,000 sec. Which of the following is not one of the basic components of the MLS system? A azimuth ground station, B elevation ground station, C DME, D radar. The correct answer is radar. Why is a back azimuth station used in some MLS? A better range, B less noise, C missed approach, D backup for main azimuth station. The correct answer is missed approach. What is the main weakness of the ILS system? A less power, B less range, C more noise, D environment sensitivity. The correct answer is environment sensitivity. What does the MLS use to overcome the weakness of ILS system? A narrow beam width antennas, B more power, C filers for separating noise, D array of antennas. The correct answer is narrow beam width antennas. Which of the following determines the required transmission power in MLS? A noise, B bit error rate, C runway length, D aircraft size. The correct answer is bit error rate. MLS ESA works on the principle of phase shifting. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true. Using an audio tone to encode angles is an efficient method. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is false.